I'm 6 months pregnant, so I'm easily out of breath. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jalen, if you don't already know, and today we are packing, obviously, for like a 13 day trip, basically 2 weeks. From South Florida, we are going to Seattle for 4 days, and we are getting on a 7-day cruise, and then we are going to be in Seattle for another 2 days after the cruise. 7-day cruise is going to multiple locations in Alaska, and then one stop in Canada. So this is pretty wintry. This was super hard because I don't want to pack like 26 outfits. I kind of like pre-picked out what I'm gonna wear, and I'm gonna show you my ideas. I'm also hoping it all fits because I feel like winter stuff is always super big and bulky and difficult to pack, but we're trying our best today. We're gonna see what we can get in here. My plan is to like wear, you know, one outfit a day and then outfit change for dinner. Mostly on the cruise, like outfit change for dinner because I like to look nice for those dinners. I do plan to like rewear and mix and match, but let's just get into it. I do have my list. I have a list of everything I am going to be packing or everything I need to pack, and then I also kind of did a trip list of like what we're doing on those days so that I know what kind of outfits to pack for. I'm not gonna go in any order, we're just gonna go through and try to get it in here. Oh, I need my packing cubes. Okay, this bucket here has like all of my different packing cubes in it because I have like a million. This one seems promising. First outfit I kind of have in mind is this Fabletics jumpsuit. It's like fuzzy, it's giving teddy bear, and I think this is just for off of the port somewhere or maybe even on the boat. These are gonna be so hard to fold. I don't know if I should roll. I think I'm gonna roll. I have a couple one pieces, so I'm gonna kind of do those first. Similar style, just because I feel like these are so easy, especially pregnant, except for when you have to pee. This one is from Year of Ours, and it is same, like this one's athletic material. It also has like a flare and zips up kind of like higher at the neck and with the white stripe on the side. This one's super flattering. This one is made for maternity, specifically because it's pretty activewear-like. I think we're gonna use this to hike to one of the glaciers. Outfit number 3, another activewear jumpsuit. This one's from Aerie. It's actually new at tags but thrifted. Also, that Fabletics piece is thrifted. The Year of Ours is rented. It does have pockets too and a cute little belt. I also think you could just like throw something on the top and then you would have like a sweater and leggings. Okay, that's 3 outfits. We are already looking kind of jammed in here, but I do think that there's room. So I think we are going to add, I'm gonna try to do like leggings. Something like thin, you know? Another outfit that I am planning, this I'm just going to wear specifically for the day that we get on the boat because it is gonna be 60s, but I feel like the sun isn't gonna be out, and with us moving all the luggage and like, I just see myself getting hot. So I'm doing this Lululemon crew neck with these maternity biker shorts from Beyond Yoga. But we're gonna pack the shorts in this. Another pair of leggings that I'm bringing, basic black Lululemon Align leggings. These are obviously something that I can easily rewear. I have some sweaters that I'll pair them with. This is just a good basic and rewearable. Also, when I say like rewear, obviously if I wear it all day, I'm gonna wash it. There's washing machines in our Airbnb for those first 4 days. So my plan is to kind of like, whatever I wear the first 4 days of Seattle, I'm gonna try to wash it on that last day so that I have it for the cruise. And then if we need to, we can also wash on the cruise. Another pair of leggings that I am packing. These are kind of like olive green Lululemon Aligns, same material. These I get in my regular size. When we're talking about maternity, I get these in the size that I was pre-maternity because they are so stretchy. So some of these are ones that I had before. Others are some I picked up thrifted for this cruise. But they're so stretchy and it's great because you can wear them pre and post pregnancy. Those leggings I plan to wear with a couple different sweaters as well. Obviously they're versatile. And then I think my last pair of Lululemon leggings, these aren't the Align, but they're like very similar material. I don't know exactly which ones these are, but these are brown, and I am wearing that with this sweater. These are all thrifted. This is a PacSun sweater. It's just black, and it's a little boxy with the high-waisted brown leggings. That's gonna be my airplane outfit. So I'm gonna wear this tomorrow morning. By the way, we leave very soon. I'm not packing that, just putting this aside. I do still have some space in this packing cube, so I'm gonna keep going with like thin things. I have this Lululemon bodysuit that I had before pregnancy. I don't think it would last in the 3rd trimester much. It's just this like, I think maybe Nulu bodysuit. Super soft, super stretchy, and I plan to wear that under this pair of like overalls. They're kind of like gauzy. I'm gonna pack this in this packing cube because it is pretty thin. This is actually going a lot better than I thought it was already. This is kind of thin, so I'm gonna try to roll it in here. Oh wait, I have another pair of leggings. Haha. Okay, this is actually my last pair of leggings. Lululemon Align navy blue. Another piece that I'm gonna pack. This is rented. If you saw my Newly video, this is from Hatch. It's just this long sleeve black maternity dress. It is like midi maxi length. Reminds me of the Skims one. It is super, super flattering and beautiful on. So I am gonna roll this up and put it in here. I really think I could fit maybe one more thing. I had this before pregnancy. The brand is BP. I got this at Nordstrom, I think. Lacy cream colored midi skirt. I am gonna wear it like over the belly with this little kind of shorter sweater. Gonna roll this up and throw it in. Okay, I think we are at our limit with this packing cube, but I think we jammed it pretty good. One packing cube done. The bulkiest thing is gonna be the big sweaters, so I'm gonna do again like the thin stuff that I can. Pepper mayo midi dress. It is pretty stretchy. I've had this for a while and it does stretch pretty well over the bump and is super flattering. I'm gonna wear that because it's obviously a tank dress with this cream colored sweater thrown on top. And then also this sweater I think I was planning to wear with one of those, like either the navy blue or the green leggings as well. While it's here, I'm gonna do this jumpsuit that I showed you overall earlier, this overall style. Another piece I'm gonna throw in, this is just a basic little Hollister long sleeve tee. Super comfy and stretchy. I did get long to cover the belly, and I'm gonna wear it with these Hollister like loungy pants kind of. This has been thrifted for a while. It is just this black T&A waffle sweater. This would be with a pair of one of those colorful leggings. Also packing this. This is like a little boutique jumper sweater crew neck. Got like multiple textures going on. I did run and grab a few things. You'll see. This is what our cube is looking like. I do think there's space for something. I'm gonna lay these flat on top, and then I think I also might just include all these t-shirts. These are just things that I'm gonna do for sleep. This doesn't look like it wants to zip, but we're gonna try. Oh shoot. Whew. Okay. Whew. Did it. It did leave us some space on this side. We still have this whole little area. This is like a little hanging thing. It's actually really cool. And it has like 3 separate spots, but you just like can fold it up, but then we can hang it in the closet. So I'm gonna do hats, bras, and underwear. I'm just bringing like 3 regular bras and 2 sports bras. Tons of underwear, but I will rewash. 3 beanies and a pair of gloves. Zips up like this. So that is that side. I do think I can like fit things in here miscellaneously, but I will kind of do that at the end. Now we're gonna flip to the other side of the suitcase and try to get all of this in there. We're just gonna dive into the sweaters. The sweaters always scare me because they're so like chunky and hard to pack. This is that American Eagle sweater that I'm gonna plan to wear with that little skirt. That's gonna be a dinner outfit. Chunky cream sweater that I'm wearing over that pepper mayo dress. That is another dinner outfit that I have in mind. This is one of those rented sweaters. This I plan to wear on a port where it's not so much like hiking and stuff, but more just like exploring downtown, with one of the colorful leggings. This is that crew neck that I'm planning to wear with the shorts on the, I think it's embarkation day is what you call it. Good. Okay, so it zipped up and you can see that it made it really honestly pretty thin. But I'm gonna do these jeans because they're kind of thin. These jeans I am planning to wear with this chunky sweater. That's just kind of like an easy outfit. And these are maternity jeans by Paige. I did thrift these too. I don't think that sweater is gonna fit in here. But you know what? We're gonna try it. I'm gonna be ballsy and try to fit one more thing in there. This is just a little loft vest that just about zips over the belly, and obviously it's white. It can go with anything. Not closing the extension, we're just leaving it like that. I'm gonna try to put some things in here and just throw it on top. Starting off with this. This is a strapless sweater dress. It is maternity. Obviously thinking this for a nice dinner. And then I'm gonna try to put this in there. Year of Ours, again, maternity rented. Just this little Sherpa can go with many things. Leggings or thrown over one of those jumpsuits that I packed earlier. Packing this Patagonia, I don't know, you know, if it's gonna fit over my belly, but my fiance packed the same one, like he has one too, and I thought it would be cute to match one day if possible. Okay, I'm gonna try to get those chunky things in this packing cube. If not, I mean, I guess I'm just gonna throw them in. Okay, that would close really easily. I'm gonna test my luck and try to throw this in there somehow. Let's see if we can zip her up. That closed well. It is pretty thick though. This is what we're looking like. Obviously, this is gonna be it for this suitcase for the most part. I'm gonna grab the other suitcase. That looks like it'll close. This is actually really easy. Boom. We're gonna do this side because it zips. This is my winter coat, his winter coat because he forgot to pack it. I am also packing my raincoat. I did mean to pack these in the other suitcase, but it's okay. This is just a pair of sweatpants because I feel like I'm gonna want to put on like a comfy sweat after dinner, you know, like on the boat especially, because we're still gonna probably like water on the boat at night. I have 5 shoes. I don't know if that's necessary or not. It's probably not. My thought was a sneaker, a bootie, and boots was what I had on my checklist. I liked these booties with the little heel. I thought these for dinner. I thought these for like rain and kind of hiking. Then I also wanted these as like a regular outfit shoe, not a sneaker, but not a bootie with a heel. And then just like one pair of lower sneakers like Nikes. I also really wanted to bring these though, but I think I'm gonna wear these there. So it's like I'm wearing one and packing 4 pairs of shoes. That's not bad. I don't think I need any more of these packing cubes. This is my fiance's, but I think I'm gonna use it for my toiletries and stuff. I also have this that's like waterproof for toiletries, so I'm gonna hold that as well. I'm gonna go get jewelry. This is my little jewelry case. I got it from Amazon and I have used it for so much every single trip. I got it for the first cruise and I just, obviously you can see the theme is gonna be gold. I already packed it earlier, but lots of gold rings, some gold bracelets, gold watch, some earrings, plus the ones I have in. And then all of my jewelry is in there as well. I mean, all of my necklaces are in there as well. There is everything for the jewelry. I'm just gonna sneak that literally right here. My hair things are in here. It just has headbands, hair ties, and hair clips. Putting that right in here with that. Hairbrush, some headbands. For bags, I'm gonna wear my Lululemon belt bag. Okay, so the other bag I'm gonna bring is this Marc Jacobs. I just like changed the strap on it to this longer one so that I can kind of have it and be hands-free when walking around. I'm going to pack this one in here or maybe in the little carry-on outfit change because my camera died and then I got ready for the day. But my cameras and everything and my chargers, charging all my batteries, and then I'm gonna need my charger for overnight for my phone, so that I'm all gonna pack last minute. And then of course like toothbrush and everything, all that hygiene stuff, that'll be last minute as well. So, and passports and all that not fun stuff. So that is everything that I have to show you. I'm pretty much done. I am gonna throw a bathing suit in here because I actually just figured out that the midship pool is heated during the Alaska season, so that's really exciting. I really didn't think we were gonna be able to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to talk to me in the comments, subscribe and like it, and I will see you guys hopefully in the next video. Bye.